Hello guys, we're making this firearms from energy. The first of day is a pistol. In slow motion. Now the first is an auto pistol. We're making this corn, a revolver, now he's dead. The sandwich off. Pistol. Now this is a 4. Wow. On this head, on head, okay. Wow. We're making a melon. Auto shotgun. Now we're making the apple and before the corn. Now making all these. This is auto rifle. Next up, this is a machine gun. Let's see if it works so well. Let's make it in slow motion. Press the button, this. Making the apple. Sniper rifle. Now. Wow. This is so crazy. Wow. This is so crazy. Submachine. Let's make it. Wow. It's so sound. So crazy. Do it in slow motion. Okay. I think it's not dead. Let's clean this blood. We're making a minigun. We have a flamethrower. It's something that starts fire. Wow! Kill it. Now he's dead. We're making extinguisher. To kill it. There you go, he dies. I think he has not died because it's like a grenade launcher. Let's see on the button. Wow! Oh, let's see. Cup thrower. on there. Wow, let's throw more rocket launcher. Amazing this one. It's too stinky that okay, energy blaster. This is a very okay. Let's see. Okay, no, okay, there. Wow. So fun. Now the rail gun. Now it's proto gun, but now it's rail gun. Oh my God! Stomach and intestine. My leg. Wow, Aunt's head is very like a blood. Proto gun. This is so very easy. In slow motion. We see now apple. Wait. In a pulse gun. I think it's not work. But yeah. We make it so fun. Now my brother have a popcorn. Yes, it's too yummy. And the tool gun with the pumpkin. Whoa, it's like that. Wow, it's being so fun. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you ever enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Bye.